Ano ibig sabihin ng perfect na yan? Ano yung perfect spouse, perfect wife, perfect husband? Meron bang ganun lang?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. To begin with, ano ba ang meaning ng perfect? Always reminding you that kapag happy ang spouse, magiging happy ang buong house. Welcome sa inyong lahat. Another episode, interesting topic. But before that, love,
mag-like, mag-subscribe. Social media accounts katulad ng Facebook, ng Instagram, meron din po tayo sa YouTube, TikTok, at saka ang Twitter.
May mga common qualities daw na hinahanap palagi eh. When we hear the word perfect spouse, ito sa buhay may asawa, kaya ito yung very interesting episode na pinamagatan. Wanted, perfect spouse.
Kaya pala.
Ito nga yung tinatawag pag daw na ideal wife or ideal husband.
Pero hindi ibig sabihin na pag sinabi mong ideal, perfect na.
Hindi natin alam. Kaya nga, ito yung ating pag-uusapan. Ang concept naman po ng perfect spouse can vary greatly from person to person. Importante po na i-recognize natin na perfection is never true. So, we will give you now frequently desired traits that people look for daw in a spouse. At ito ay being trustworthiness and honesty. Matapat. Kasi many people look for spouse who is reliable, yung dependable, maaasahan. At hindi lang yan, trustworthy sila. Hindi sila kailanman iniisip pagsisinungalingan ka inside the marriage relationship. Someone whom they can trust with their emotions, syempre, to trust with their finances, and of course, yung buong buhay na as long as they have breath, na magkasama sila bilang mag-asawa. Napakahalaga. Ang foundation nito ay si Christ, of course, and it is also based on trust. Dinesire po niya yan that there is trust, respect, open communication, and a lot more. Ito po yung sinasabi na trait na pwedeng i-consider.
So, ang isa pa ay kindness and empathy. Ang isang husband na kind at compassionate, syempre for a woman, di ba? This is highly valued.
Tama.
Dahil dito sa ability na ito, for a man even, to offer emotional support.
Wow.
And understanding and also care. Kasi nga, tayo mga men, husbands, or future husbands, na mababa ang emotional natin, quotient ba yan? EQ. Diba? Kasi natututunan naman to bilang isang lalaki. I think, opinion ko to as a man, pagkakaroon ng empathy, mas talaga majority sa babae. Sa woman. With no offense, again, tututunan ito. Di ba? Kung hinahanap nyo ngayon perfect husband, maaring wala ito at this particular time. But you can help one another.
Tama. Another trait is intelligence and ambition. Anong ibig sabihin? Yung may pangarap naman din sa buhay. Hindi yung tapos yung makasal, magkasama kayo sa isang bubong, yung parang wala lang, walang ka-ambition man lang. For example, syempre, ang lahat po nagsisimula yung iba walang-wala talaga. Like kami po ni Chico, nagsimula kami. Ang aming table sa sahig. Tapos puro hand-me-down yung mga furnitures. And these are just material things. Pero maganda po na may intelligence and ambition din naman kasi sa spouse, sinasuggest din na meron tinatawag na drive or motivation na may gustong ma-achieve din. At saka, i-pursue yung personal goals. Maganda na, what are your dreams as a couple? What are the things that you believe God for? What are the things that you think is impossible for you to achieve as husband and wife? But with God, nothing is impossible. So maganda na i-consider kung naghahanap po kayo ng perfect na quote-unquote spouse, may ganito ding attributes or characteristics na may desire and ambition sa buhay. Ang next po na trait we can consider is sense of humor. A good sense of humor can make a spouse even be more approachable. It's nice kasi it's a form of a conversation. Lalo na po ang marriage, marami pong pinagdadaanan yan. Maraming mga seasons na tinatawag. Diba? So maganda ito na may sense of humor kasi yung spouse mo engaging pa, diba? And then it's very enjoyable to be around. That can help diffuse tension and stress. Ito pa, i-consider din po ninyo ito, shared interest and values. Many people look for a spouse who shares similar interests and values as this can create a strong bond and foundation for a lasting relationship. So, maganda din na isama po natin sa consideration and prayer. Why don't you look for something that of interest na kayong dalawa? Is it cooking? Mag-walking? Bike together? Pag-usapan po ninyo yan. Kasi that's going to add not only flavor, but a glue that will bind you more together.
Yun yung 5 frequently desired traits people look for in a spouse. Now, ito, quickly. Ano yung mga dangers in looking for a perfect spouse?
Listen,
Unang-una, pagka may unrealistic expectations na, nagiging masyadong idealistic na. Dapat ganito, ganyan, di ba? Yung mga expectations tuloy natin, dahil masyado tayong nagiging expect, unrealistic na. Hindi naman AI yung gusto mong mapangasawa,
na lahat may sagot.
This can lead to disappointment. This can lead to frustration. And then, ultimately, maaaring mag-fail yung relationship.
Next is, we idealize certain qualities. You focus too much on specific traits or qualities that can lead to overlooking other important factors in a relationship. Ano yung mga iba pang important factors? Komunikasyon, pagtitiwala, trust, and of course, yung emotional intimacy. There are a lot more things to be grateful for. I'm sure po sa characteristics, pagiging tao ng inyong spouse, kung kayo po, again, ay may asawa, or for those who are praying for a spouse, future spouse, wag po tayong masyadong yung focus too much on specific, tas yun na lang. Kumbaga sa nakatapaoho ka doon, hindi mo na na-appreciate yung ibang qualities. So, let's be very careful then and let's consider that.
Isa pang danger, pagiging judgmental at saka yung palaging nagkikriticize.
Nangungutya.
Paghahanap ng isang perfect na spouse can lead to a critical mindset where someone may constantly judge and criticize their future spouse or their spouse for not meeting their expectations.
Wow.
Diba? Rather na i-appreciate natin ano yung meron siya, ano yung strength niya, ano yung mga efforts niya. Kasi hindi lahat ng asawa ay nakakapagbigay ng service. Hanapin natin kung ano yung mga strengths na yan. Kahit na sa tingin mo, hindi siya noticeable, ngayon, start noticing the small things para maiwasan natin yung pagiging judgmental tsaka yung pagkikriticize.
Sunod natin, tuloy sa kaka-focus mo palabas, yung sarili mo, now you are overlooking your personal flaw. Na hindi mo nakikita na ikaw din nga pala ay may maliit na dots sa napakalaking puti na papel. In the search for a perfect spouse, a person may overlook yung sarili nilang flaws and shortcomings na naglilid po yan to an unbalanced relationship dynamic. Ang nangyayari, one-way street, pag ganun lang. What about yours? Diba? Papunta sa'yo. Kaya it's important to keep in mind that no one is perfect and that a successful and fulfilling relationship is built on mutual respect, love, and acceptance, as well as the ability to communicate and work through challenges together. We gave you some important insights regarding this topic. Once again, I'm Coach Marian Peña.
And this is Coach Chico. At huwag niyong kakalimutan, ang bawat pamilya may pag-asa.
Happy spouse!
Happy house!